Hey guys, welcome back. So one of the last little tips and tricks that I wanted to share with you that I learned while I was learning upholstery is how to make a welt cord. So the welt cord is the piece of cording that goes in between your pieces of fabric. So I don't know if you guys can see this over here. This is the old seat cover, so I guess I can show you on this. But the welt cord is this piece that goes in between your two pieces of fabric. This is a smaller one, but ours is a little bit bigger. But this is what you would use to kind of join your two pieces of fabric together, and it also gives it a little bit more of a decorative look to it. I did it because that was how the car originally looked when it was first upholstered and manufactured back in the 50s. So first what you're gonna do is you're gonna measure from the inside or the outside of where you want your welt cord to go around your seat, and then you're gonna cut that into this long strip. Mine's a little bit thicker than usual because I'll show you a little trick that I do when I'm doing this, because it was a little hard for me to get it in under the foot with my regular foot. So I'm gonna show you that, and I'll show you my little trick of how we can keep these things together so you don't have to worry about them, and then I will show you how you sew them into your upholstered seat. Okay, so everything you need is right here. So I have my piece of fabric that I cut out for my welt cord. I have the welt cording that I bought again from my local, you could buy it from a local fabric store. I got this from Joann Fabrics, and it says Welt Fit Solid Filler Cord. And then you also need that basting tape that I had, maybe if you remember, that I showed you in another video. So this will be a big help too when we're doing this. So now what you're gonna do before we use this is we're gonna take the beginning of our strip. We're gonna start it here, and we're gonna take our two-sided tape here, and we're going to put it right towards the edge. Okay, so once you have that all on your piece of fabric, now we're going to go into the welt cord. So now we're going to take our cording, and you're going to start at the edge. Peel this back. So just peel a little bit back first, and then fold it over so it reaches half on the other half, right in half. And there you go. Now this is not a permanent hold at all, but it does help that it sticks together like this, so when you're making your welt cord and you're sewing it here, it's a lot easier to stay together and look nicer.